mean.
Thank you, bro.
What's up? Well, I can do a little bit. In-N-Out is way better than Whataburger. No comparison. Woo! No. What is that, dude? Why is it making that sound? Literally. This is one of my dream cars, my 2006 Corvette Z06. I picked this thing up back in October of 2025. Definitely much different than the typical cars that I go for. I stuck around mainly 4 cylinders, you know, Subarus and all that, but nah, this car is a complete different car. Let me pop the hood real quick. Definitely not no 4-cylinder. We're talking about a 7-liter LS7. So yeah, this thing is insane, man. It has been a blast to say the least. And yeah, I literally still cannot believe that I own this car. Oh man, I don't know what it is lately, but me and breaking lips have just been on one. But yeah, bro, one of my favorite things about this car is just hopping in since it's cammed and just enjoying it, man. It's such a timeless car, 2006, but I feel like it just fits in with everything nowadays. I've done a couple videos, a couple POV videos with the Z06 so far, and a lot of you guys seem to like it, man. It's pretty cool to be able to document it and like film in a way to where it feels like you guys are driving it, you know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Low-key kind of hungry, so I might stop at In-N-Out. And yeah, smash the like button for more Corvette content. Driving, you know, the WRX lately a lot, so you know, it's a 2025 WRX, a lot of technology somewhat, but it's always cool hopping in a freaking, you know, 2006 analog car, you know, not much going on. All you got is the basics. I don't know, it's a nice little refresher. It's always the cool thing about this car is, you know, it's like a, for me, I kind of talked about this in the last video with the Corvette. Big part of this car for me is like the time period. Well, this car came out in 2006, so my childhood was in 2006. I was like 9 years old around that time, the time this car came out. That whole era reminds me a lot of like my childhood and how the world was, you know, back in 2006. All the sick music, you know, T-Pain, Soulja Boy, all those artists, you know, that you think about, you know, early 2000s, like hip-hop and R&B. So I don't know, I like hopping in this car as like kind of like a time capsule, just to kind of go back to those years, you know what I mean? This car has pretty much been straightforward ever since I've owned it. The only hiccups I've ran into was kind of like a misfire issue, and that was simply because spark plug wires, they tend to go out a lot, pretty common with these cars. Had to buy new spark plug wires, and I went ahead and just swapped all the spark plugs too. They seem pretty shot, so that was kind of like the only thing I ran into with this car. I don't daily drive it, you know, obviously this is kind of like my weekend car, so it's not out on the road, you know, a lot, but I do have my fun with it. You know, the car has 15,000, I bought it with around 11,000, so I put around 4,000-ish in around 5 months, so quite a bit. Kind of just been like settling in with this car and really getting familiar with like owning. I feel like obviously nowadays Corvettes are gaining a lot of popularity, you know, social media wise. You know, they're pretty popular. A lot of people are getting them, so it's pretty crazy like how much attention this car gets. It's not even a crazy color or anything, you know, it's just gloss black, but this car looks so mean and it gets so many looks from people. Older generation, they always like look at this car, you know, they're like, yo, it's a freaking Z06. And even like teenagers, you know, young kids, presence, you know what I mean? When I'm driving this, it's so cool. Damn, look at that. Oh my gosh. The Shelby. I still get so embarrassed driving around with a GoPro on my head. I don't know if you guys noticed, but typically in like POV videos of mine, I always have the windows kind of like halfway cracked open. Just for like, oh, see like this right here, bro, at a stoplight. I have to, bro, I have to. I just get that like secondhand embarrassment, dude. Obviously, if you know what POV videos are, you see this in public, you're like, oh, okay, he's filming a POV video, but I just feel like to like normal traffic, they're probably like, dude, why does this guy have a camera on his forehead? That guy over there is just staring at the car, bro. I don't know if you guys can see. Especially, I feel like at red lights, that's when like so many people are looking at this car because it's just chopping like crazy. Yeah, plan is to get some in and out right now, and I want to take you guys out on the back roads. So I got some back roads locally. It's like literally 5 minutes away, so probably hear this thing freaking sing in the canyons. Damn, this thing is chopping like crazy right now. It's cool because one thing I noticed, when you have the AC on, it chops way more. It has like such an aggressive chop with the AC on compared to when the AC is off. Kind of funny, but 99% of the time I'm driving this car, I got the AC on. Alright, pulling up to In and Out. Hopefully the line's not too crazy. Not too bad today. That guy must be new here because he's trying to enter the drive-thru. I mean, I guess go. That's not where you enter the drive-thru, but whatever. Just gonna get a cheeseburger. No double this time. Cheeseburger, gotta keep the onions on, tomatoes, and I might do chopped chilies today. Oh my gosh, that chop, man. That sounds insane. Sorry about that.
No, you're good, you're good.
Appreciate it, bro.
Sounds mean.
Thank you, bro. I'll take a number 2, please.
Number 2?
Yeah.
Would you like onion on the burger?
Yeah, with chopped chilies as well, please.
Onion and chopped chilies, of course.
Yeah. We'll be with the Diet Coke.
With the Diet Coke, right on. Would you like to eat that in the car?
To go is cool.
Go?
Yeah.
Right on. We don't want to get it dirty, right?
I know.
You don't want to get that burger smell.
I know, be like onions.
The same way, something like I'll just take it home. It's nice, so like it's very super well clean.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Like, do you ever have any issue like with the bumps, like going
yeah.
over stuff, like because it's low?
Yeah, it's hella low.
Yeah, but it's good. I mean, I think it's like if you ever want to like race with it, like you're more grounded.
Oh yeah.
It
feels nice.
It's
yeah.
nice. So I like the whole black on it though.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah,
means a lot,
good,
dude.
Man. You're all set to be the 1006 at the first one.
Okay, appreciate you, bro. Thank you.
Drive safe out there, okay?
Thank you, man. Sorry it's so loud. Thank you, bro. Shout out to the In and Out worker. He loved the vet. I told him I'm sorry since it's so loud and he has to take all of these orders, you know, these people. Yeah, bro. He loved the Corvette though. What's up? I can do a little bit. Thank you, bro. You know, you good? Bro, they want me to rev it. That's so freaking awesome, bro. Literally the best moment right now. Just coming to In and Out, the In and Out guy complimenting it, and then those kids loving it. Like, I always say this in my old videos too, like any chance, like that was low-key, I kind of felt kind of cringe revving right there, not gonna lie. But if there's like kids around and they're like, yo, like rev it, I try to always do it. Cause I remember being like that age and like seeing like a modified car, and that's stuck in my head like forever. I remember I was like their age, I saw a wide body BRZ at a gas station at a Chevron over here. And ever since then, bro, I was like, I want one of those. Like, you know, 3-4 years later, I got my own FRS, I wide bodied it, and I will never forget, it was like nighttime, the lighting was so fire on this blue BRZ, Rocket Bunny kit on it. I was like, oh, this is freaking insane. I cannot wait to get my own modified car. Long story short, whenever I see, you know, like younger generation, you know, being hyped about my car, I always try to give them, you know, like something to be like hyped on or like motivated on, you know? I don't know, that was so wholesome. I love that. I've not had In-N-Out in a good minute. I know all you guys that don't eat in your car are probably like, what the heck? Not on the C6. I'm gonna be honest, man. I eat in all my cars. I just be extra careful to not drop anything in between the seats. Also, mandatory in every car, gotta have a bottle of hand sanitizer. I promise I'm not a germaphobe. It's just like, I don't know, if I'm touching everything out, bro, like I have to like somewhat clean my hands before I freaking eat. Good old cheeseburger from In-N-Out. In-N-Out is way better than Whataburger. No comparison, don't even try. Heck yeah, let's dig in. Look at this site right here. Damn, that's a thumbnail. If I title this video In-N-Out run in my C6 Z06, this is a low-key a thumbnail right here. First bite. It's so good. Chopped chilies as well. My gosh.